Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate the perimeter and the area of a right triangle, focusing on an example where the opposite side is 3 meters. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly review some basic concepts. A right triangle has a 90-degree angle. The sides include the opposite side, AB, adjacent side, BC, and the hypotenuse, AC. The opposite side is the side opposite the right angle, 90 degree. The adjacent side is the next to the right angle, and the hypotenuse is the longest side. AC opposite to the right angle. In our example here, the opposite side is 3 meters. Now, the perimeter equals A plus B plus C. And the area of the triangle is 1.5 times the base, in this case is BC, times the 8. It's AB. To find the hypotenuse, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. We have B square equals A square plus C square. That means B square minus A square equals C square. We know C. C is 3 meters. So we can say B square minus A square equals to 3 square. 3 square is 9. So now, this term that we have over here, B minus A, B square minus A square, is a remarkable identity. So we can write it in this form, B minus A, put it in the parentheses, multiply by B plus A. B square minus A square equals to B minus A multiplied by B plus A. And this will be equal to 9. So now, here, we will have two options here. This one here, B minus A, is the small number, the small, and this one here is the largest. Okay, so we can write this equation as we can say B minus A multiplied by B plus A equal to 1 times 9. It also can be B minus A multiplied by B plus A equal to 3 times 3. But we're gonna consider this one because this is the one that gives us the small number and the largest number. Okay? So now, let's solve this equation here. We will have B minus A equal to 1 and the B plus A equals 9. Right here we have a system of equation. Let's name this one here as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we will have, if we add equation number 1 plus equation number 2, that will give us B plus B. We'll have B plus B minus A plus A equal to 1 plus 9 is going to be 10. So this one here, we will cancel A and A. We will have 2B equals 10. That means B equals 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So now we have B. B is equal to 5 meters. Now we can use any of this equation here, equation number 1 or equation number 2, to find A. Let's use the first equation. So we will have B minus A equal 1. That means B is 5 minus A equals 1. That means minus A equals 1 minus 5. That means minus A equal to minus 4. So we can cancel this sign here, and A equal to 4 meters. Okay, so now we have B and we have A. So now, based on our formula of the perimeter, we have P equal A plus B plus C. So the perimeter equals A is 4 plus B is 5 plus C, based on the data that we have over here, C is 3 meters. Is the opposite side, 3. So that means the perimeter equals 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So we have 12 meters. This is our perimeter. So now we can calculate the area of a triangle. Okay, so now the area equals 1/2 of the base time the 8 of the triangle. In this case, we will have A equal to 1/2. What is the base? The base of the triangle is A, is the adjacent side. So we have A is 4 meters, 4 times 8. So 8 is AB, the opposite side, 3 meters, 3. That means the area equals 1/2. This one can go with this, is gonna be 2. 2 times 3 equals 6 m squared. So the area equals 6 m squared. So to recap, the area of our triangle is 6 square meters, and the perimeter is 12 meters. Always remember to identify your sides correctly and apply the formulas correctly, carefully. If you have any question, leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks.